Hey guys, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss this is a very good opportunity for those who are literally waiting for this type of internship opportunity at Nation Rural Infrastructure Development Agency NRIDA eligibility graduation or post graduation. And coming to this is a very important for faculty those who are completed PhD in CSC, IT, EC. Faculty recruitment 2021 assistant professor at IIIT Sony Pat. And coming to content of this video, application are invited for the internship opportunity at National Rural Infrastructure Development Agency NRIDA, Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. And coming to eligibility, age of candidate should not more than 25 years. Applicant should have done graduate or post graduation during the last 2 years. And duration of the internship, this is the 1 year. Candidate who are leave the internship before completing 1 year will not provide the certificate of experience. And coming to remuneration, will be paid token remuneration 10,000 per month for the first year. The remuneration will be increased to 11,000 for the from next year. Interested and eligible candidate must be submit their application along with all documents to Director of FNA National Rural Infrastructure and Development Agency, 5th floor, 15 NBCC Tower. Last date of application is June 18, 2021. For more details, contact go through website notification for the internship opportunity at National Rural Infrastructure Development Agency NRIDA and through email. And this is a providing email here. Coming to IIIT Sony Pat is looking for dedicated, committed and research-oriented Indian national to fill up the following vacancies through the direct recruitment in the Department of Computer Science Engineering and Department of Information Technology. And these are the post details: Assistant Professor in CSE and IT, Assistant Professor in ECE, Assistant Professor in Mathematics and Humanities. And coming to eligibility, Assistant Professor in CSE or IT and EC, PhD in CSE, IT, EC with first class BTech or BE or ME or MTech, Assistant Professor in Mathematics and Humanities, PhD in Mathematics and Humanities with first class BSc, BA level or MSc, ME level. And these are the area of specialization. Before the filling the application form, you can read the all specializations. Application form shall not be supplied on postal request. Copy of the application form the signed and enclosed with self-attached photocopies of certificate should reach. And these are the providing address. And coming to application fee, general OBC EWS 1000 rupees, SC ST PW 500, outside India all category 1000. The last date of submission application is 9th June 2021 by 5 pm. For more details, contact go through website official notification faculty recruitment 2021 assistant professor at IIIT Sony Pat.